See, that's the UFO triangle I saw this morning. It wasn't blinking, it wasn't making no noise, it was just floating by the trees. I thought it had 2 lights, but it actually had 3. I was on my bike, that's why I was moving around. There's actually 3 lights that are not blinking, they're all white. And it's odd, I'll show you the picture here, what it looked like right here. This is the picture I got from it. This one still I got from that. It was a triangle. Wasn't blinking, wasn't doing nothing. Let me tell you something. Delta Thrive channel. It's funny, just after I posted that triangle video, you'd make some harassing videos about me. This is Forrest, of course. This is his way of trying to ridicule me and discredit me and trying to ruin my reputation because I film UFOs. This is the way he does it. He's been doing this to me for years. It's funny how these videos popped up just after I filmed that triangle. Isn't it funny? There's another channel, Forrest. Of course it's Forrest. Variable XSS asshole, whatever his name is. He puts the same videos on over again. See, it's funny. I film a real good UFO, and this is the way he tries to ruin our reputation. This is what he tries to do. It's also funny that these videos come out when. Let me show you. You know, it's just funny how these videos came up, started attacking me because they're getting mad at this guy right here. Unknown variable. They're getting mad at him and they can't figure out who he is, so they start attacking me again. And you know I don't make videos about people. I don't accuse the people about being anything. But these guys are making videos about me. These guys are insane. They really are. Forrest is insane. He doesn't know what the hell he's doing. He has no idea. I don't know what his point is or what he's trying to do. He's trying to upset somebody, but how? He's been doing the same shit to me for at least 2 years, so how's it supposed to upset me now? I have no idea. All I got to say to you, Forrest, this is all that needs to be said.
Words, motherfucker, I will find you. Pictures in your fucking video? Them's fighting words, motherfucker. I will find you. Accuse me of using that, motherfucker. I will find you. Them's fighting words, motherfucker. I will find you. Now you pissed me off. That was a bad idea. Now you pissed me off. That was a bad idea. Now you pissed me off. That was a bad idea.